Glenn, I could smell this as soon as I walked in the room. It has a
Well,
wonderful lemony smell to it.
hopefully.
Dun, dun, dun.
Ooh. That looks amazing.
There you go.
So this is a buttermilk chess pie.
Oh, a chess pie.
Yeah.
Okay.
On an all butter pie crust.
Do you want a fork?
Fork.
So we've made chess pie before.
We have. So we made chess pie probably 8 or 9 years ago on the site.
Yeah. So how is the lemon chess pie different? Is it just got some lemon in it?
It's just got a little bit of lemon in it.
Okay. Well, it's so hot.
It's fresh.
I should have picked up on that. It was still a little bit hot.
Uh-huh.
Mm-hmm. Mm.
Well, that's
It's really lemony. That's good.
that flavor's amazing.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so the first time we had this was at Miss Mary Bobo's
Oh yeah.
in Lynchburg, Tennessee. We did a tour of the Jack Daniel's factory. Sorry, distillery.
Mm-hmm.
And they took us to lunch at Miss Mary Bobo's, and so this pie was on the menu. Absolutely loved it. And so the version we made in the past
Probably had some bourbon. Had some.
might have had a little bit of bourbon in it.
No, it would have Tennessee sipping
Oh, Tennessee whiskey. That's right, because
whiskey
it would be Jack
in it,
Daniel's.
'cause it would be Jack Daniel's.
So here's how I made this one. This pie really is just about dumping stuff in a bowl and mixing it together. So you start it with some sugar, flour, and cornmeal. And you whisk that together. Then you put in 6 eggs. And you start whisking that together just a little bit. Add in buttermilk and melted butter. Don't forget the pure vanilla extract. And you whisk that together really well. And then you zest in an entire lemon. And if you haven't already subscribed, please subscribe now and smash that notification bell so you find out about our new videos as soon as they come out. And then you squeeze in half of a lemon juice. Once that's all mixed together, you just put it into a pie shell, and I'm using an all butter pie shell. Stick that in the oven, and this is what you end up with.
So it's the cornmeal that gives it that great texture.
The texture is amazing. Yeah, so the cornmeal really helps that. The lemon,
Lemon.
well, but the lemon sort of adds something that cuts away from how sweet this would be, because there's a lot of sugar in this pie. So this uses our all butter pie crust. I'll link to that below. It's a really nice pie.
Well, I don't know what else to say.
Cup of tea.
Try it at home.
Mm-hmm.
All right. Take care.